All right, we are back on the record in file 23110 FC, People versus Shonda Vander Ark. The court has been informed the jury has reached a verdict. Mr. Johnson, Ms. Vander Ark is not present. My understanding is you had an opportunity to speak with her and discuss her presence today. Is that correct?
That's correct, Your Honor. That's where I've been since our last adjournment. So I just came up with her. She's declined to join us for this portion of the trial.
Okay. During the break, I anticipated that, and I did a little case law research. There is no law in the state of Michigan at this time that requires the defendant to be present for the verdict. There is a law that does require her to be here for sentencing and hear the victims' statements, but so the court was essentially left with a choice of forcibly compelling her to be here, which could cause her to, I don't know, could cause further issues. We have deputies that certainly, if I order them to do that, they would do that, but I don't want to put them in a position of harm if something happens, and I don't think that's appropriate. So I'm not going to do that, and again, there is no law that requires her to do that. So, Mr. Roberts, anything for the record before we bring the jury out?
Your Honor, I would concur with the court's research here. I think that we're all aware that there was a law recently passed that requires the defendant to be present for at least the victim impact portion of sentencing, and I agree. I don't think there's anything that requires her to be here. So pursuant to the written stipulation that she has already filed and has been witnessed and updated by Mr. Johnson as we go here, I think we can proceed without her presence.
Okay. Anything else, Mr. Johnson, before we leave the jury in?
No, sir.
All right. Please.